Elsewhere, the Supreme Court has set aside the judgment of the Court of Appeal recognizing Julius Abure as national chairman of the Labour Party. In a unanimous judgment, a 5-member panel of the Apex Court held that the Court of Appeal lacked the jurisdiction to have pronounced Mr. Abure as national chairman of the Labour Party after finding out earlier that the substance of the case was about the party's leadership. The Apex Court held that the issue of leadership was an internal affair of a party over which courts lacked jurisdiction. The court further allowed the appeal filed by Senator Nenadi Usman and one other and held that it was meritorious. It also proceeded to dismiss the cross-appeal filed by the Abure group of the Labour Party for being unmeritorious. In a swift reaction, however, the faction lawyer to the disputed chairman has clarified that the Supreme Court's decision doesn't affect Mr. Abure's position as national chairman. The leadership of the Labour Party, lawyer to Julius Abure, has commended the judgment of the Supreme Court, saying the matter brought before it is purely an internal affair of the political party. Addressing newsmen in Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital, National Publicity Secretary of the Labour Party, Abayomi Arabambi, said the Supreme Court judgment didn't sack Labour Party National Chairman Julius Abure, but rightly upheld the proceeding and accumulated High Courts and Court of Appeal judgments, upholding the immutability of responsibility of Labour Party structures to choose its leaders. Mr. Arabambi stressed that the party constitution is also clear on who has the power to call for the National Convention or any national meeting. He added that members of the party need to abide by the judgment of the Supreme Court.
The leadership of the party is therefore satisfied with the judgment of the Apex Court, which goes to reaffirm Barrister Julius Abure as the national chairman of the party and Alhaji Farouk Umar Ibrahim as the national secretary of the party. The reason is that the current National Committee of the party were validly elected, having been duly nominated, endorsed and ratified through the internal mechanism of Labour Party statutory organ in line with the party constitution. We are therefore calling on all true members of the Labour Party to abide by the judgment of the Apex Court and to always resort to internal party mechanism in resolving the internal party's affair of the party. Now, the position of the Supreme Court is that structures of the party is capable of handling any matter as it concerns the affairs, and as it is today, Labour Party chairman remains Julius Abure.